Let's make a White Cinnamon C.O.F, Cuban Old Fashioned. To make this drink, we are going to start with our rum. 2 ounces of your white rum, 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. And we are going to stir it. Half an ounce of your cinnamon syrup. Half an ounce is 15 milliliters. And note, I do make my own cinnamon syrup. The recipe is here on the channel if you'd like to check it out and make it for yourself. Link down below and at the end of the video. And bitters. I'm going to pop 2 dashes of Angostura in there. I have tried other bitters and they work out as well, but today we're using Angostura. Add your ice and give it a stir. Now I'm going to let this sit for a moment because I'm going to get a fancy ice scoop. These are my Skull silicone molds, so I'm going to put one of those in my glass. Wrestle it out, break it apart. Give me a moment. And I got these molds from my friend Will. Thank you, Will. That ice goes into my ancestral old-fashioned glass, and I'm going to strain my drink on top of that. Garnish. Luxardo cherry, or maraschino cherry of your choice, or cocktail cherry. Maybe not the day glow red stuff. I'll pop that in there on the side, and a twist of orange. Oh, that worked very well. I'm very impressed with myself. Not pretty, but it's there. Express, wipe, and drop. Let's put it by the cherry so they can be company. And there you have it, a White Cinnamon Cuban Old Fashioned. Drink with good spirits.